The National High School Finals Rodeo, or NHSFR as it's better known, is in Gillette, Wyoming once again. This year the event runs from July 16th to July 22nd and, as usual, has brought thousands of people to town. The NHSFR is held at the Cam-Plex Event Center. This is the 75th annual High School Finals Rodeo. The National High School Rodeo Association, which organizes the finals event, is a non-profit organization that is dedicated to the development of sportsmanship, horsemanship, and character in the youth of our country through the sport of rodeo. The association held its first finals in Hallettsville, Texas, in August 1949. The Rodeo Association has more than 12,500 members who hail from 44 U.S. states, 5 Canadian provinces, Mexico, Australia, and New Zealand. The NHSFR drew more than 1,700 contestants to Wyoming this year and will contribute an estimated economic impact of more than $11 million to the local community. It is billed as the world's largest rodeo. Contestants are competing for prize money, but also for more than $375,000 in college scholarships. I'll have a link in the video description if you would like to learn more about the National High School Rodeo Association or the National High School Finals Rodeo.